So, what do you think of when you come out in nature? You hope you don't get bit by a bug. You hope you won't get sunburn. You hope the water's not polluted. Or do you think and feel how good it feels to be out here, breathing the fresh air, enjoying the wonderful miracle of nature? I love to come to this spot pretty much every day. And just for that reason, because it is such a miracle that this keeps going. Just think of it, the leaves keep coming out every year, they're green, they're making oxygen for us, there's fish living in the water, I don't know if you can hear them, the birds singing. It is just a miracle, and it is so refreshing for my soul.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much.